Hey guys, and welcome back to another teckwrapcraft video. For today's project, we will be using these pastel colored vinyls from the 001 series. All products used in this video will be linked in the description box below. So these vinyls are in matte finish, which looks super chic and classy when we decorate it with this Starbucks venti cup. We will be using a unicorn full wrap SVG design from Etsy that we will be linking down below. The design has 5 layers to make this a colorful unicorn cup. So let's start! Here you can see we are done cutting our SVG design layers and we will be weeding them out one by one. Before we start weeding, I like to use my squeegee to burnish my vinyl first to keep the tiny details of my design down onto the mat. Then I'm slowly peeling off the negative vinyl. I'm using my weeding pen to weed out these small unwanted vinyls from my design. Next, let's weed the other layers with the same process as our first 2 layers. Now that all our layers are completely done, let's begin layering them all together. So let's press down a transfer tape to our first layer that we will be working on and use the squeegee to burnish. Now remove the design from the mat and flip it over. Burnish it at the back and slowly peel off the backing paper. Place the second layer and let's use a parchment paper to help in layering these two. Slowly remove the parchment paper and press down the top layer carefully. Burnish both of them together and remove it from the mat. Flip it over and burnish the back part again and slowly remove the backing. Now let's do the same steps with the other layers of the design. Here you can see that the topmost part of my design doesn't have enough transfer tape, so I'll be cutting the bottom transfer tape since we're not using it anyway. Then I'm just placing it on top and burnish again. Flip it over and remove the backing. For the last layer, I'm using another parchment paper that I'm placing at the back part of this layer since we are adding a much bigger layer than this one. This way, the vinyls from the bigger layer won't stick to the mat and ruin the design. Once happy with how it looks, remove the parchment paper and burnish. Then flip it over and remove the other parchment paper and backing paper. Now it's time to wrap our Starbucks cup. Make sure you already clean the cup. Slowly place the design on top and as center as possible. Then cut multiple slits on the transfer tape to make wrapping the cup easier. Burnish the design and remove the transfer tape afterward. Now it's done! I love how colorful this venti cup turned out using different colors of vinyls. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Bye!